Loose Garden. This is a special video for Loose Garden. We just finished 3-week project to renew Loose Garden deck. Phase 1, clean the deck. Phase 2, stain the deck. Phase 3, later my husband add some lights, LED lights. Phase 4, add some furniture. Here we go. Started. I always try to get the color for my deck, but then I find out this is a year I need to do it. This is the third year we have this deck. You can see the wood already faded. It's time to clean up, get a new coat color. But step 1, we need to clean this deck. So I need to move all this barbecue grill and the chair and the flower pot out of the deck. That's the first step. Then we did the clean. Okay? Then we are going to do the clean. Shake well. I already add water inside. Now I just need to add the same amount of the water. Okay, good. Because this water bucket have a measurement out here, so easy. Let me see. You can see we have a lot of green, like green mold under the deck. So I'm going to use my brush and already soak in the solution. And I'm going to use a brush to wash it out. Now not the barbecue. Some of the drop the oil on there. Black oil must wash good. Everybody see, the sky is dark now, and my back deck already cleaned up for tomorrow. And let it then sit dry tonight, and we continue tomorrow. And see you tomorrow. Hi, welcome to Loose Garden. Yesterday we all washed the deck, get prepared for today, get a coat of new paint. And what kind of paint I chose, what kind of tool I need to use. And now I show you. This is a paint kit. They have you can see they have a tape and the brush, everything I need in here. And I already prepared for the side, use the tape, make sure the paint not get on my siding. And let it maintain on the deck rails. And there's a paint. This paint, I chose the color is like coffee color, like a walnuts, dark walnuts color, and like a dark brown. And everybody, when you buy the paint, make sure you know the deck paint have three kind of deck paints. One is a solid paint. That means you when you paint it, they cover everything. They cover everything and they last long. About 10 years, and I chose is a semi-parent. Semi-parent is I can last 5 to 10 years, and between the solid paint and the transparent. So this one is still show my wood natural lines on there. Still shows the natural wood lines. So I chose this one, and of course you have another one is transparent. Transparent is last under 5 years. You need to print again. That one is definitely and maintain your wood and the beautiful wood lines, beautiful wood pictures, natural. Keep your wood rails any natural. Maintain there. You can see it. Just put on the protect coat on the top. This is different for the three kinds of paint. I choose the semi. because I want to get a protection for my deck. Also, I still want to able to see the natural of the wood and the rails. So that's why I chose this one. This is my favorite color, as like a dark walnut, because inside of the home we have the hardwood floor is this color too. I want to be able to extend it. When you inside room, you can see the extended to the outside. That's what I want. Okay, let us start. I already put the paper tape, protector tape on the side of the between my siding and the deck pole and deck wood. I already did this. Now let us prepare for the paint. Welcome Loose Garden. Today is day 3. We'll print our deck. So last time we spent 8 hours and printed the deck. We took 8 hours. It's a hard job. Whole family worked together, but we only get most of the rails done because our deck is 10 by 10 and have a lot of rails. They take a lot of time to print the rails. You can see because they have 4 sides. You need an individual print each one, so it take a lot of time. So today job will be a little easier because we are going to do the flat area. This is a 10 by 10 area. So I'm going to use this tool. This tool is a flat and faster and cover more space. I just kind of like go through this. I don't need to bend my back. I save my back. Don't get hurt. And we just kind of paint. But any issue is the between the gap. We must go back with my brush. Go through between the gap because this flat brush cannot go through the between the gap. So because every deck there must be left gaps. Let the rain water go through it. You don't gather any water and you deck. That's the purpose. This is the 3rd gallon and of the paint I use now. So maybe I need the 4th one. But let us start today. Let us check it out, our new update deck, new couch, new carpet, and a new nights. This is a beautiful place to relax. Thank you for your watching. If you want to see how my husband added this LED lights, please give us a thumbs up and add the comment. And I will see you next time in Loose Garden video. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.